Hi students, this is Mrs. Gardner, and we are on lesson 10, session 3, and it is finding the values of sets of mixed coins, not like sets, but mixed coins. And we're going to get started with our warm-up. So let's go ahead and use a hundreds chart, it says, to show the solution for each addition equation. So if you happen to have a hundreds chart there with you, you can look at this. If not, we can just go ahead and add them together. So we can go ahead and get started with 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. So 10 plus 10 we know. If we go like this, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. So our answer is 22. Now we have 10 plus 10 we know is 20. Plus 5 is 25, plus 5 more is 30, so our answer is 30. Now, we have 10 plus 10, we're going to go on the bottom here, is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 5 more is 30, plus 1 is 31, plus 1 more is 32. So that's how we can add those up. Okay, so let's go ahead and erase those. And then we can go on to our math problems. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on our math. So let's go ahead and get started on that. It says, Eric finds some coins on the floor. How many cents does he find? So go ahead and let's get you going trying this on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and add that up. You've got your paperwork there with you. Go ahead and add that up, and then when I come back, when you come back, we'll do it together. Okay, so you're back. So the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and above each of those coins, let's write how much they're worth. So the first one is worth 10. Then it's worth a penny, and then we have a nickel, and 10, and another nickel, and a penny, and 10, and a nickel. So if we add those together, now we can look at it and we can say we have 10, 3 tens, so it would be worth 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then we have 3 nickels, so that'd be worth 5 plus 5 plus 5, and 2 ones. So plus 1 plus 1. And that equals. So now we know that now we need to add these all together. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10, and we know that is 30, plus 5, 10, 15. So the 5s are 15, plus 1, 2. So that's 2. So now we have 30 plus 15. Now 30 plus 15, so 5 and 0 is 5, and 1 and 3 is 4, so that's 45, 46, 47. So our total is 47 cents. We have 47 cents. That's how much Eric had. So hopefully you're able to find that as well, that he had 47 cents. Okay? So go ahead and compare that with what you got. And we will go ahead and move right along. So go ahead and do your comparing with what I have and with what you have. And we will go ahead and compare our strategies. Now, that's exactly what we did, is what they did. They put the numbers, how much they're worth, underneath them. We put it above. So it's the same type of strategy. Like I said, we put it above, they put it below. And then they made a model We erase that so you can see it. They made a model. They put the 10 is worth this much. The 5s are worth even less. And the penny is worth even less. So they made a model of how much they're worth to figure out the amounts. Now we also did the writing the equation. After we put the amounts they're worth, we wrote an equation as well, just like they did. The 3 10s plus the 3 5s plus the 2 1s. So we did that as well. Okay, so let's look at our questions. Look at picture it. Count on by the value of each coin to find the total cents. Each time the coins change, be sure to change what you are counting by. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. We have a dime, so that's 10. Another dime, that's 20. A third dime, that's 30. Now we need to count by 5s because we're on to nickels. So that would be 30, 35, 40, 45. And now we need to count by 1s because we've come to pennies. So that would be 46, 47 cents. Okay, so now we know there's 47 cents in this total of coins. Eric uses a second model. He adds values like this. He adds the 30s and the 15 and the 2, and that's exactly what we did. We did the exact same way of doing that Eric did it, and that gave us the 47 cents. Okay, why is it helpful to sort the coins to find their total value? Why is it helpful to sort the coins by their I can't think of the word, I'm sorry, by their likeness? You know, all the dimes in one pile and all the nickels in a pile and all the pennies in a pile. Well, it's easier to do it that way because they're each the same number. So dimes are all worth 10 cents and nickels are all worth 5 cents and pennies are all worth 1 cent and quarters are all worth 25 cents. And it's easier to skip count by that. So it's easier to skip count by 10s, by 5s, by 1s, and by 25. So that's why you would do answer 3 that way. Okay. So looking back, reflecting, looking back at your strategies, which model or strategy did you like best in finding the value of coins? Which one did you like best? Did you like putting the number on the top of the coins? Did you like making a model? Did you like putting them into their specific piles and counting them that way? Which was the one that you liked doing? Did you like making the addition, the equation? Which one did you like the best? Write that down and explain it to your teacher. Okay? And let's go ahead and get started on this next one. Aisha has the coin shown. How many cents does she have? Show your work. Okay, so for the first thing we're going to do is let you try it first, and then come back and we'll do it together. All right, that's the first thing we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to write above each of these how much they're worth. We have 25 here, and we have a 25 here, and we have a 10 cents here, and we have a 10 cent here, and we have a 5 cent here, and we have a 5 cent here, and we have a 1 cent here, a 1 cent here, a 1 cent here, and a 1 cent here, and a 1 cent here. So now we can put these all into an equation, which would be easier for us to figure out. So we have two 25s, and we're going to go with the highest to the lowest. So 25 plus 25. And how many dimes do we have? We have 1, 2 dimes. So plus 10, plus 10. How many nickels? We have 1, 2 nickels. Plus 5, plus 5. Then let's see how many pennies we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to add these together, but first we're going to add the like coins together to see what we get. So 25 and 25, that equals 50. That is just something that you learn, and once you know it forever. So 25 and 25 equals 50. 10 and 10, we know, equal 20. And 5 and 5 equals 10. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 pennies equal 5 cents. So now we have 50 plus 20 plus 10. Let me put my plus signs in here. So we have 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. So let's go ahead and add those together. We have 50, 60, 70, 85. 85 cents. We have 85 cents total. So we have 85 cents total for, Aisha has 85 cents total. Okay? So let's see what we've got next to look at. Draw another set of coins that is worth the same amount as the coins in problem 5. So we need to draw another set of coins that is worth 20, or say 85 cents, but not the same amount or the same type of coins. So we need a set of coins that is worth 85 cents. Now, we can start with a quarter. So let's do a quarter. So 25, that's 25 cents. And then let's just do a dime. 25, 35, 45. Let's do a nickel, 55. Or 50, excuse me. 50, 60, 70. And then you know what we can do? Let's count that again. That's 25, 35, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, whoops, we should make that a 5. You know, let's do another 10, I just realized. Let's do another 10. That would make it easier. So that's 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. And then I bet if we make 10 ones, that would give us the 85 we need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoops, I think I have one too many 10s, one too many ones. There we go. So now that is 85 cents. And that's 85 cents in different coins. So it's not the same amount of coins that we had before. These are different coins. Okay, so let's see what the next problem brings us. Now, Steve has 12 cents. Then he finds these coins in his pocket. How many coins or cents does Steve have now? Show your work. Now, we're going to erase this. And we're going to say that he has, first of all, he has a quarter here, so that's 25 cents. And he has a quarter here, that's 25 cents. Hopefully you're ahead of me. And you already noticed that he has a 10 cents here, and he has a 5 here, a 5 here, and a 5 here, and a 1 here, and a 1 here. So now we need to add this amount of money to the 12 cents that he already has. So let's go ahead and add our two 25 cents. 25 plus 25 plus the 1 10 cent plus the 3 5 cents plus the 1 2 cents. Excuse me. So now we have 50 cents and we have a 10 cent and we have 5, 10, 15 cents and we have 2 cents. So now we have 50, 60, 70 with the 15, 75, 76, 77. So we have 77 cents that we need to add to the 12 cents. 77 added to 12. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So our Steve friend here has 89 cents added to the 12 cents added to the change that he has. So now let's see what we've got going on with our Melinda. Now Melinda has these coins. How many cents does she have? Let's go ahead and erase this. And we'll erase all of that to see what Melinda has. Now Melinda, she has a 25 cents. You know what? I'm going to let you go ahead and try this first, and then come back and we'll see if we can do it together. Good. I'm glad you tried it at least. So now we've got 3 dimes. So that's 10 cents, 10 cents, and 10 cents. And we have 1, 2 nickels, so that's 5 cents and 5 cents. I should put my cents mark next to it because that way we know that it's 10 cents, right? And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So 4 1 cents. That's a 1 cent. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add these together. We have 25 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 2 5 cents. Oh wait, that's 3 10 cents, excuse me. Plus 2 5 cents plus 4 1 cents. Now that would be equal, the 3 tens equals 30, 10, 20, 30. This is where our skip counting comes into play. We need to know how to skip count by 10s and 5s, and we need to know how to count by 1s, because if we don't, then counting money is very difficult. So there's the 30, and here's our 5s is 10. Our 25 is here. And our 4 1s is here. So 25 plus 30. So let's count by 10s here. We have 25, 35, 45, 55, plus another 10, 65. So that's 65 plus 4 1s. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So our total is 69 cents. Okay, so Melinda has 69 cents. Steve had more money than she did. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize that was our exit ticket for the day. Yep, that was our exit ticket. So that's our last problem of the day. I hope you have a good one and that you're getting the hang of this money thing. Have a good one. Bye-bye.